angled wall. It's not perfect, but freaking A, it's close. And that's what we're all about, people. We're about close. So, this is another custom wall. I mean, everything's custom on this wall. And my first set of windows are 25 inches tall. And so I measured from the bottom jack here and the sill that I put in the distance. So 25 inches up here. But now I'm measuring from the bottom plate to make sure all my measurements are the same, which is 43. So this is 43, that's 43, that's 43 to the bottom plate. Because you know, the further you measure, the more accurate you're going to be. If you go into 25-inch increments all the time, you know, by the time you get at 200 inches or 12 feet or whatever you're going to have, you could be a little bit off. But as long as you're going back to that original measurement, in this case, my bottom plate, we're going to have a little bit more accuracy. I think. I have no idea. I just make up half the stuff I tell you. So don't believe everything. Okay, I'm gonna put the top plate on for now because this wall is in 2 parts, and the top plate's gonna really help stiffen her up. Oh, that's better. Wow. Top plates make all the difference, and I staggered them so every joint there's an actual overlap. I wasn't filming, but I eyeballed this angle down here and it's almost perfect. So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna bolt the top plate to this, and I'm just gonna be adding studs one by one and getting the rough angle from one piece, and then I'll just copy that angle over. It's a 412 pitch, so the angle should be on that. That's crazy that worked out. Absolutely cray. Alright, I found my angle. Now let's cut all the studs. Now I gotta start from that side. So I'm gonna try as best I can to still have 16-inch centers for my OSB. I'm a little bit off, that's okay. Just play it right there. Okay, little stud muffin. I'm using screws because it's just tight up here. It's just, and I'm doing this as I go. I'm not a scientist, so I don't know how to get the exact measurements. Last one. You can do it. Last one. Whoa. That might be the best one. Sweet. Alright, that wall's ready. Angled wall. It's not perfect, but frickin' A, it's close. And that's what we're all about, people. We're about close. I mean, obviously, I'd love to have perfect, but yes, looking good.